All right, hey, good morning, everybody. All right, we're going to take a look at the market today. We are noticing a pattern, a consistent pattern over the last 2 days with the overall market. And what you'll see is the levels we've been talking about in previous videos. We'll see the market starts off with the ES. This, we're going back, looking a few days. This was back on Tuesday of this week. You see a decline in the market at the beginning, and then we get this bounce somewhere between 10:30 and 11 o'clock and track back up to the upside. And this is on an hourly chart, so you can see this range that we're doing on an hourly each morning. And then that was Tuesday. Let's take a look at what happened Wednesday. Wednesday, the same thing, trending market down. On the hourly, we get a tail, get down in this 57.50, 57.40 range, and then a retracement back past the 21 EMA up to the 55. What do we have today on Thursday? Pretty much the same setup. The market is trending down. We might get back to this 57.40 and maybe a bounce back to the upside. With that being said, we're pretty much in chop. We're range bound, 57.43 up to 58.83. Some people wait till we get here and then find their entry point in on a 5 minute, 10-minute chart, 15, and ride it back up. Some play it both ways. And when we look at the ES, what this interpret is there's going to be some stocks in the morning that are trending down, and they're going to get to a level of support, and then you can bounce. Then those stocks that's been bullish or still have their EMA stack, they're going to retrace back to the upside. Weakness in the morning and buyers coming in the afternoon. Will that consist? We don't know, but you see a pattern forming, and we'll go based on that. All right, so what else is happening in the market today? So overall, the market is looking like it's in a decline at the open. Uh, the following previous sessions rally were spurred by Donald Trump's announcement of a 1 month delay on imposing 25% tariffs for Mexican and Canadian automobile imports, which had initially alleviated some trade war concerns. So again, the news around that could be spurring a rally. The volatility in the market based on what's coming out the White House is playing a role. Uh, Marvell Technologies, take a look at they had a significant dip this morning, dropped by around 15% after issuing a forecast, but did not exceed analyst expectations, raising concerns about the slowing AI infrastructure demand. So we see it was up here at 88 and it collapsed all the way down here to 75. So if that was a semiconductor failure, and that's Marvel, let's see what Nvidia is looking like in the morning with the semiconductors. Again, here we go. This is the range Nvidia's been trading at yesterday. You see it had this morning dip too, down to 113, and like the ES, it reverted back up to the upside pretty much around the same time. There you're finding confluence. Well, based on the semiconductors information, it looked like it broke the support level on the hourly, 114, and it could go right down to 108. Fired off on a squeeze. So let's keep our eyes on Nvidia. This one. Let's look at AMD. AMD, same thing, went down and then turned bullish throughout the day with the ES. Here, AMD has a support level at 99. And if it breaks this 99, it can go all the way back down here to 95. So NVIDIA, AMD is ones we be watching. Baba has some news following the release of its new AI model. So it had a bump, unlike the other ones. But Baba's really is a retailer. And look at Baba. That was yesterday. So, that's a $20 jump. So we'll see if that stands. Maybe Baba get a retracement back here to 138. But Baba was a huge play yesterday. I wasn't in that one. Wish I was. Let's see what happened with Tesla. With Trump news around the automakers, did Tesla get a bump? So Tesla got a slight bump. It's being shorted. It's coming right back down to yesterday's opening, which was around 272, 268. You see its range up here to 284. Um, we got some consolidation between 274 and 277. Still not my favorite play. Unless it goes up to 280 and then we get weakness and back to the downside, then I would play it then, or it gets all the way down here and starts to revert back to the upside. So Tesla, one is I'll definitely be more patient with as we watch. Um, as far as earnings today, again, this is the week of retail, so we have earnings with Kroger's, BJ Wholesales, and Macy's, um, and Burlington. None of these is really my favorite option plays. Later this evening, we do have the big dog, and that's going to be Costco. Um, Look at Costco today. It's been trading within a range, 129 to 146. You know, the good thing about Costco, if you just follow the ES, if it follows that, if it hits the 128, and if the market starts to trend back up, this will be one that you can take and ride back up to a nice exit level up here, or when you get back up here to your moving averages. So Costco and Tesla are the ones I'd be patient with if they're on your watch list at all. Otherwise, you can wait till tomorrow once the news drop and see where that goes. All right, so based on the news today, um, I'm probably just going to stay in the semiconductor sector. Watch the semiconductors, see what Nvidia, AMD does, um, and if they continue to trend down, I will take the easy play and get the money, get in and get out. Um, let's just take one last look at the Qs and SPYs. I figure they're going to do the same thing. Um, I did. I got caught in the queue yesterday around here. I didn't get out early enough. Should have got out and made some good money. So that one cost me a little bit of money yesterday. I should have got out, got a little greedy, stayed a little bit too long. But Qs and SPYs, same thing. Um, you know, a morning drop. Now the Q, I will say, has a very good distance until it gets to support. So that's something you might want to take in consideration. Let's look at the SPY. But both of these, sometimes it's better to wait till they get to the support level, settles, and then go up instead of trying to get in it early and chop. At least once you get that wick, you get this candlestick here, you get this candlestick here, you know now that you're in a bullish trend, right? You're getting this hammer candlestick and it's going to revert back to the upside. So sometimes being patient, just waiting on the candlestick is a good way to trade. All right, so today we're just watching semiconductors. I think those are the easiest ones to get in. And then with the SPY, the Qs, or the XPX, or the futures, uh, maybe we wait till it get to the support level, 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock the afternoon. And then if it starts to revert back to the upside, get into that play. Of course, if it breaks this support level, then you can jump in there. Um, all right. If you think this information has been helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks again for checking out the channel. Be blessed.